This is the box my Vizio 58-inch TV came in, and I'm going to be going through the setup of the Vizio TV. This will be applicable to several different Vizio models, but we'll go through it from the time you're going to mount it onto the wall and plug it in to its first stages of setup. Once you have your TV mounted, you're going to need to plug it into the AC outlet and then connect any of your devices to the HDMI ports. And this is the remote that my TV came with. And I'm just going to hit the power button and we're going to start the setup process. First thing we need to do is select the language you want and press OK on the remote. And the OK button is right here in the center. Now it's going to ask, are you going to use this for home or is this in a store demo? And of course we're going to use this for home, and we'll just hit OK again. Now it's going to ask what country your TV is in, and there's only 3 options on here. It's probably the only 3 options because this certain model is shipped to only those 3 countries. But I'm in the USA, so just hit OK. Now it's asking for what Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Depending on how many different networks you have, select the network you want to connect to and hit OK. Want your password for your router. If you don't know your password, on the bottom of most routers is going to have your password. You're going to go ahead and enter that now and click Next. It's going to take a few minutes and it's going to establish a Wi-Fi connection. Once the Wi-Fi connection is established, your TV is going to self-update. This could take up to 10 minutes. Don't touch anything while this is happening. Once your TV is downloaded the updates, it will restart automatically, and this will take just a few minutes. Once your TV restarts, you'll see the Vizio logo pop up, and your TV will begin to restart. And you'll see a screen that says downloading updates, and you'll see a progress bar, and this will take a few minutes to download all the updates. Next, it's going to ask which room is your Vizio TV located. Go ahead and pick the room and hit OK. That's simply used for naming your TV. It's going to ask to set up local channels. You're going to need a cable from your antenna or a cable box connected to the TV. If you don't want to set up local channels, just click Skip. Now it's going to ask if you want to make sure you want to skip. Now it's going to give you the terms and conditions for Vizio and all the apps on your TV. You can go down to the bottom, hit skip for now, or hit accept all. A viewing data screen, and this means that the TV is equipped with automated content recognition, which means it's going to record some data and give it to authorized data partners. You can accept or decline. Whichever one you pick, go ahead and hit OK. The next screen is whether or not you want to register your TV. You're going to enter in your email, and you'll get email offers for deals and first to know updates on Vizio products. You can enter in your email and hit Next, or you can scroll down the bottom and hit Skip. Screen, you have to accept your activity data, terms and conditions. When you've done that, the TV is pretty much ready to watch whatever you want to input or select through the apps. Now, if you already have an Amazon or a Netflix account, once you hit the app, it may give you a code that you need to log in through your Amazon or Netflix account through a mobile device or a laptop. Enter in the code, and that will activate the app through the TV. Now you can simply select a movie you want to watch, and your TV is all ready to go. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.